Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin makes another attempt here to move to the upside. This is in no way guaranteed now to break out. As long as we stay in this sort of sandwich here between the low at 23.5K and the high at 24.7, we are strictly speaking still in the sideways range. I mean, we already had a pump here yesterday, but I think all of that was only of corrective nature, the way this looks like, because it was only a 3-wave move to the upside. So the way I see this still is that ideally, and that is sort of primary expectation here, we are going to come down in a wave 2 here into this region between 22.16, yeah, so 22,160 and 23,000. That is based on the Fibonacci retracements here of the wave 1. Yeah, between the 61.8 and 38.2% Fib level, as explained in the previous video. From a wave count point of view, I said it before, it could just be here. It looks like a 3-wave structure, an ABC, or possibly rather a WXY here of the wave 2. So that is sort of the ideal scenario for this wave 2. It could theoretically be already finished, that wave 2, yeah, that is a possibility. The problem is there are various ways of how we can count this. What you need to understand is we could already go up, or we could go here and then up. I think these are the most likely options, and we can keep sort of this bullish sentiment at the moment until we go below 20,700. So that level down here, 20,700, the wave 2 low, is what currently protects the bullish scenario. And unfortunately, due to the variations of counts that are possible here, I can't really tell you for sure. There's never certainty anyway, it's all probabilities, but I really can't tell you if we go here and then go up, or we go up straight away. I explained that in the previous video and said very clearly that we could already have finished this wave 2 here at the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level that we reached, which was at 23,600 pretty much, yeah. That is sufficient for a wave 2. It is not a lot. It's a very shallow retracement. That would indicate that possibly a wave 4 retracement will be a bit stronger. That's sort of what you see. If wave 2 is shallow, wave 2 might be a bit stronger. But yeah, we could go up, but we will only know really if we break above the 24.7K level here. Good indication is already a move above that wave 1 high, and that will be 24.3K. Now we're not even there yet. We see a bit of volume, but what you can certainly expect, and I talked to the members, channel members in the Sunday live stream just now, which we always do on a Sunday, that there will be a lot of volatility, I assume, here towards the end of the weekly candle. And not only the weekly candle, I mean, it's the monthly candle close today. So that makes today quite interesting, because it's not only, we don't have that very often, a weekly candle close, it's also a monthly candle close together. That increases the possible volatility that you will see towards the weekly candle close and the monthly one, which will be in around about 5.5 hours. Okay. So at the moment it's 6:20 UTC when I record this video. Yeah, pretty much at midnight there will be the weekly candle close and the monthly one. So let's take a look at the weekly. I said that before, I think, in the video, that we are probably going to see another green candle here on the weekly. Would surprise me seriously if we get that one in the red below 22.6K. Never say never, but it would surprise me. But I think it will end in green. What is the monthly one doing? That is deep in the green anyway, so it will be the first green candle since since March, really. And March was the last green candle. And yeah, obviously it needs to end somewhere, that red downtrend. So that doesn't really have major implications yet, but it's obviously not a bad sign if you see that happen. Yeah, it would be nice to get a monthly engulfing one. That would seriously be serious, yeah, like we had down here. The problem is that the downtrend was so strong that to get a bullish engulfing one would be a bit of a challenge. Okay. But yeah, that's where we are, you know, and we need to see how we are now, in which direction we are now going to break out of this sort of sandwich structure in which we are. And that small pump that we just saw is already losing in steam. So yeah, be on high alert here still for that WXY to play out. And if we see a break above that 24.7K, then we are probably already in wave 3. Yeah, already in wave 3. That will take us above 25,755. That level will be a key level. I mentioned it before, I need to mention it again. 25,755 will be an important level, not necessarily resistance, but it is a very important Elliott Wave relevant level in the bearish scenario. So if we see strong resistance there, be on high alert. If we see strong resistance there and then an impulsive sell-off from there, that could indicate that we are going to see a lower low even below $17,500. Yeah, because it would be a WXY pattern. That is the bearish option that we have available at the moment. And that an ideal target for that wave is here at 25,755. All right, and that is currently my latest update here about Bitcoin. Hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.